Hello viewers, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is the first time you come in here, I say very big welcome. My people, let me tell you, if I come here, make a video about anything for you, believe you me, it works, okay? You can shop from our website. All you need to do, just search for austinglobalskincare.com. austinglobalskincare.com. All right, go do your shopping, and don't forget the promo does start. Promo 50% is even more than 50% discount. It don't start. All right. Now, some people they do something when investment is not fair. Now me come here drop recipe for now, and any recipe I drop for you, it works. Every recipe I drop for you, it works. That is the least thing I can do to help somebody. All right, it works. So don't come to my DM and be asking me another kind of question which I do not know. Okay? I don't know that one when they ask me. So please, every recipe I drop here, try it. I drop recipe about pigeon, try it. I drop recipe about any of those serum, try it. All right. So now let's move to today matter. Now you see this lotion now. Ajoke Abi Ashake, what's her name? Now you ask this question. You see this lotion now? You can use this lotion, you won't have knuckles. You use this white lily lotion, you will have knuckles, not at all. It will make your skin flawless, white, in space of 7 days, no white patches, okay? No blemishes. All right, that is what this cream will do to your skin. For some of us that will be having a series of complaints that your products not work, they're not working. Use product like this. No matter how tough, how hard is your skin. When you use this product, it will work. All right, it will put you in a better shape. It's only maybe if you want switch, no switch yet. If you want switch, not switch yet. When you want to switch, give a break for some weeks, all right, before you switch, all right. However, this lotion, no hydroquinone, is hydroquinone free, 100%. Are you getting in? And the acidic level is normal, all right. No say this is not acid. No. It's normal. It's made with fruit acid. That's all right. So you can't use this abutin where you use this one joint 7 days. You won't believe it. You have to just try it. This one is also another soap that you can use, liquid soap that you can use. You will enjoy it. All right, and everything about abutin is just too excellent. Abutin and glutathione, they are too excellent. Those are products you should be craving for. All right, you use it if you're having any of those skin issues. It will help you, because this body wash, if some people will say, is it antiseptic, so you can still use it. It helps a lot. Now, I told you, you see the video, the picture of that testimonial I put up. Look up. This is what the lady used. Everywhere we're green vein, but this is what she used. All right, she used it, although it's a couple of weeks, but this is what she used. Dubai whitening crude. Use it, it works. It remove green vein, white patches, and every other okrumama from your skin too. Okay. Now, before you use everything I've shown you, you do a proper scrub. When I mean a proper scrub, yes, a proper scrub. Before you use all those ones, you do a proper scrub so that the pores will open, so that anything when you rub, it go enter. Some people, they don't do all that. They will just be using. Have you scrubbed yourself after this? It's not working. It's not working. You see? So first of all, scrub. We have sensitive scrub, we have lemon scrub, we have ordinary scrub. So first, scrub. All right. Now, Beauty Series whitening oil. Look at it. This is one of the Obonge oil I'll be really telling you guys to use from henceforth. Do that be looking for oil, use this. This is what you need. This is what you need, a whitening oil that you can use to promise for your customers as well. Use this, all right? No side effect, all right? Then, our face mask, oh, now be this, oh. Our face mask, that thing when I really tell you about, now be this. It removes dark spots. It removes any, like use it for your dark circle. Those of you having dark circle, it removes all that, all right? And it's safe and it's easy to wash from the face also. So we've come to the end of the class or the review. Don't forget, if you want to shop, just go to our website and search for austinglobalskincare.com. austinglobalskincare.com. That is it. That's our website. And if you want us to train you as well, you can also, register for our school, our college. We'll teach you. We ship everywhere. Don't forget that we ship everywhere worldwide. So bye bye.